What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. This video will be exhausting. The video could have started by saying another one, because we've already done an exhaust system on the 2025 Panigale V4. We're doing the same exact Akrapovic Slip-On, but there's a little twist. So we're using the underbelly pieces that are now available for these motorcycles, so it's going to look nice and clean while it sounds amazing because we know how well it sounds. But we're also installing a couple of things. The ShieldOn Instrument Cluster Protectors are here now, so this is a brand new part that's available for the 2025 Panigale V4. It's much needed for that big nice screen that it has. We're going to show you guys the Servo Buddy that we use because last episode we got some comments on that. And we're going to install our DNA performance filter. We have yet to use any of these. We're pretty excited to put them on because it promises a lot of things and a lot less dust into your airbox. And obviously we're going to finish off by taking this bike for a ride. It won't be on this episode though, so we'll install it, we'll do a sound check because we know how much you guys love the exhaust sound, especially with this slip-on. And then on another episode, I'll take the bike out for a ride and I'll let you guys know the differences. That we all know that it's going to sound absolutely amazing. Enough talking, more working, let's get started. That's how simple it is to get the stock exhaust off a 2025 Panigale V4. On the previous model years, it was a little fiddly. You had to really know how to get it off to get it off. In this bike, you just unbolt the stuff and everything just comes down. So that's what is different from the 2024. In the older generation, what's the same? It's that exhaust power gains that you could expect. On a slip-on versus a full system, you could expect 2 to 3 horsepower difference, and that's really it because the stock headers are not the restrictive part of this motorcycle. It's that big muffler box that's down here. We're going to go with the full system down the road, but we're not going to use the Akrapovic exhaust. It's 9 to 10 grand. I don't think that's reflecting of the times that we're in right now. We used it on our SP2. It was $8,200 plus the install. But on this, I think we're going to wait, fingers crossed, for the SC Project full exhaust system to come out. I think they're going to come out with a system. Nothing is official yet, but we'll see. So as I'm filming this video, the Akrapovic Slip-On is the only slip-on that's actually available for this motorcycle. But the Aero Slip-On has already been released. It's even on our website as a pre-order basis. So end of February 2025, March 2025, those Aero exhausts will start shipping to the customers who have already pre-ordered it from us. And I think we'll also install it on this motorcycle because it's so easy to remove things and install. We want to see the difference between the Akrapovic and the Aero. Akrapovic is affordable, the Aero is even more affordable. But let's get this Akrapovic on because I want to see the fairing pieces. I have yet to see it with this exhaust on. Then we'll install the rest of the remaining items. Well, everything goes on as easy as it came off, maybe even easier because there's nothing that is too complicated with it going on. Also, they give you guys some extra rubber grommets that was already on the bike. So if your bike has some miles, I mean, years down the line, maybe you'll have some miles and these things are worn out, you could replace it. In this case, we didn't have to. The bike has 200-300 miles on it right now. So it even comes with the plugs for your servo motor plug right here so that you could just plug this in and zip tie this away so that it doesn't get dirty. But in this case, we're going to use our Servo Buddy on it so that we install the Servo Buddy. We'll go out for a ride on another episode and I'll give you guys my honest feedback on how it runs with the stock map and with just a Servo Buddy. Then you got two options. You have the up map or you have the brand tuning option. Up map, I think, is the affordable option that gives almost everything that Brent tuning that can do on this motorcycle, but just no restrictions being taken off. And then with the Brent tuning, we've seen some impressive power figure numbers, especially with it claiming to get all the restrictions off the bike. We'll also report on that once we install it on this motorcycle. But for now, it's exhaust, Servo Buddy, and this brand new piece. These are belly panel pieces that we're going to take it out of the box, and then we'll put them on to fairings once we install everything back on. I just want to show you guys these pieces. And I know some of the documentation says do not use any kind of cutting devices to open the boxes. It's just, if you use it, just be careful, don't go deep. So what I'll do is that I'll put my hands like this so that the blade is just a little bit poking through so that we don't scratch anything when we open it. I'm excited to see this because this is a real-time unboxing to see what they look like. Carbon ones will be out soon, we know that, by full 6, but till then we're going to use the OEM plastic pieces. And I think this is the correct size. So this is going to probably go somewhere along these lines. And I think, I've seen pictures, it shows just enough of the mufflers and the piping, but we'll wait and see because I'm going to put everything back on and we'll get these pieces back on the bike. They say pictures speak 1,000 words, and I could just stand here and do this. Because this lower belly pan fairing makes it look so complete. That exhaust looks good, we already know that, and it sounds amazing, we already know that. But in terms of making it a finished look, this belly panel piece, and it's not expensive, makes it look just complete. And also, once this bike gets some miles on it and some really spirited miles, this pipe will blue out. We'll wait to see that. But before that, let me lower the bike, install the filter and our ShieldOn Instrument Cluster Protector. The filter comes out fairly easy on these bikes. We have a video on the previous generation Street Fighter V4 and how to remove your filter and swap it out. It's pretty easy. If you want a how-to video, go and watch that. It's pretty much the same on this 2025 Panigale V4. This is the stock filter. This is the DNA Performance air filter. The idea is that the bike is exhausting the gases better, so you want it to breathe in better so that you make the best out of that exhaust system in terms of performance. Will the air filter make a huge difference? Probably not, maybe a horsepower or two, but we want to optimize everything while we're doing it. That's why we're installing this one right now. Here it is, guys, the 2025 Panigale V4 with our Akrapovic Slip-On on it. I'm smiling because the icing on the cake is this lower belly panel piece. The bike's looking amazing because we installed a bunch of carbon fiber on the previous episode, but on this episode we installed the DNA air filter and our ShieldOn instrument cover as well with all these beautiful pieces that we have on the bike. I know what you guys want. You want me to turn this thing on so you hear it. It's going to be a little smoky because of all the WD-40. Once it's warm, I'll give it a few revs so that we could see what this Italian has to sing to us.